Hello everyone. Good morning. So I am here again in my veranda area. So today is July 9. Yeah. So I am here in my veranda area. Time check, it's already 10:30 a.m. and the rain has just stopped. So it was drizzling a while ago. And if you can remember last vlog yesterday's vlog was this rock. And this rock, yeah. So for today, I will be sharing the other rock going there. Yeah, so let's start with this one. So this is my habit here, and it's so windy in my veranda area. So this is my habit here, and it's very lush now. We have our Jodiata here, having lots of offsets. I'm waiting for it to become big. And since we cannot propagate it because of the weather we have, it's sunny, then we suddenly rain. Then we have our Bill's Baker inside our Chadieta. Then we have our elephant bush, very long already. And the stem is really big already. So I want to make this elephant bush bonsai. So below we have our weeds. There are lots of weeds on the pot, I mean. And this is our Queen Victoria. As you can see, the rosette of our Queen Victoria is perfectly. It has a perfect shape and the white lines too. Then beside it is we have our Marcus. So our Marcus sprout lots of flower stalks. So I cut it already because there are aphids on it. Actually, some of the rosettes got aphids already because of the flower stalk. Since I did not visited my succulent garden for 5 days last week, starting last week. So I wasn't able to remove the flower stalk of this Marcus. And as you can see, the rosette is damaged by the aphid. Anyway, there are some rosettes that are stressed and so pretty. Yeah. So windy today. So it's just, the rain has just stopped. So that's why it's already late when I did this video. It's already 10:30 and it's very hot. So this is our Mursak. As you can see, there's fungus on the leaves. Even some leaves are falling off already. Yeah. So before, during the summer, it was really flawless. Look what happened. So this is the example of the leaves with fungus. Let me get it. See there, black spot. Actually, there are more leaves there, so it's so hard to get. And the leaves are falling by itself. Why? Because they are not really healthy anymore. So this one is a healthy. Let's see if it would give us an offset. So that's the problem with my Murasaki. It's having fungus, attacked by fungus, but I hope it can recover. So they are really have lots of black spot. Look. And beside our Murasaki, we have our purple haze. So this part of purple haze is very lush, though. So okay, not so colorful. And the next one is the purple haze too. A purple haze, but it's not really that stressed in color. And as you would see, there's also aphids on the inner rosette of the bigger one. So I want to rotate the pot. So the aphids will not transfer to the other pot, though I think some already was contaminated already by aphids. But so far, it's not so really infested by aphids. And I'm really sorry for the weeds, guys. I haven't really cleaned up. So this is what you can see on the first rack of my sharing today. Really hot. So on the next rack, we have our variegated Facifitoids. Facifytum, like variegated supreme. Yeah. So there's another name. It's Facifitoids or Facifytum. I forgot. So it really looks so pretty. It's actually a twin head. Yeah. Then at the back part, I have a propagation of my cheesecake. Then beside it is I have my blue cloud. And beside the blue cloud, we have our lenguas. We also have another blue cloud. So there are two blue clouds there. And then I have here an Equipria, but I really do not know the ID. It's only green in color, but it's so pretty to look at. Yeah. And at the back, it's an empty spot. It's actually the part of our Prolifica, but it didn't make it during the rainy days. And we have the big rosette of our Fat Beauty here. Beside, we have our cheesecake propagation, and we have our love and war, and another pot of love and war. So excuse me for the weeds. Lots of weeds. So I hope I could really have time because when it's school day, it's really hard to have time for gardening. So look at our Arun Pay when the sun is up. It's so colorful. This is my sharing last yesterday, yeah. So colorful and pretty to look at. So that's what you can see on the first layer of this rock. Then we have our Then on the second layer we have our cactus gymnocalcium. So it still have flower pods in spite of the rainy days. So this one, I'm not so sure if it's still alive. It's very dirty. But the other part, which was very dehydrated, like this one, it was able to recover during the rainy days. And more cactus. We have them CI, yeah. Still have flower pod, gymno. I think this one is dead already. So we have them CI. Then this one, I think it's mellow, but without cup. It's still smooth. Then we have another gymnocalcium. And on the third layer, we have our Orion. And then we have our very big blue cloud. It already assumed the pot. So the pot is same size as this. But look how big it is. Then we have our peach candy. Then our hero ones. Then we have this one. I'm not so sure of the ID. And this is our Alba Beauty. And our Aquarius. Yeah. Still thriving. I'm not so sure. Oh no, it's rotten. So look. So I will let it dry there first. I'll be back later. So this is our latte rose. Sorry for the weeds. So these are the one that we can see in the third layer of the rock. It's so hot I can't take it anymore. So maybe I'll just end my video here. So next time I'll share this side of my garden. Yeah. So they are pretty, especially our purple delight there in our arze. But there are lots of weeds. So I hope you like my sharing for today. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Please leave a comment if you like so, and if you feel like leaving a comment on my channel or on my video. So just be respectful enough. And that's all for today. Happy gardening, everyone. God bless us all. Take care, everyone. Don't forget to bring your umbrella. It's rainy days. And the weather is really here in the Philippines. It's quite weird. Rainy, sunny, rain. Anyway, they, they already declared that it's El Nino, but it's still raining because it's rainy season. So I guess that's all for today. Bye bye. God bless us all and keep safe, everyone.